Deployed to assist. Now securing turbo laser control.
Solo is here. Finish that scrumpy smuggler once and for all.
Going in
They
tight.
couldn't hold their own camp. All right, get to the control center.
Targeted.
Attempting to secure turbo laser control. Rebels are out of time. The control center's about to fall.
Too crowded.
The sector is secure. Wipe out the rebels. I want a clear path before we attack the central structure.
Rebel trooper. Starting elimination sweep. Here we go! Starting East Station override. Rebels have halted the override.
Slicers report the West Station is nearly ours. West Station overridden, but it's useless without the east side.
Infantry march. Watch for shrapnel!
Override started! Securing the East Station!
You wanker. Roger.
Gate controls overridden. We can open the main structure, hunt down the rebels, then converge at the entrance. The rebels can't defeat us, but they can still wipe the databanks we came for. Get in there now. Download all information from the main briefing room and the command center. download's complete. Enough intelligence to keep the analysts busy for years. The Death Star failed to claim victory on Yavin, but our